Very good afternoon, my dear students. Most welcome to the online classes. Now, today I am going to talk about the topic trigonometry. It is a branch of mathematics. This word derived from Greek word. It is a combination of two words, trigonal, trigonal plus metron. So my dear students, it is derived from Greek words. It is combination of two words, trigonal plus metron. Trigonal means triangle. So my dear students, trigonal means triangle. Metron means measurement. Okay, my dear students. So what does it mean? That means the trigonometry deals with measurement of triangle and to know property of the triangle. That is called trigonometry. So I hope so, my dear students, you have been understand what mean by trigonometry. It is combination of two words, trigonal plus metron, where trigonal means triangle, metron means measurement. That means trigonometry deals with study of triangle and its a property. Now let us come to the triangle, my dear students. We will see first in the right angle triangle. Look at here, my dear students, in the figure. Suppose there is triangle given ABC. Right angle triangle ABC is given. Now, with respect to theta, opposite side always lies just front of theta. Notice it, my dear students. Whenever we are talking about right angle triangle, the opposite side always in front of theta. So this is called opposite side. When we will talk about this theta 1, then corresponding to this will be opposite side. So notice it, my dear students. So the variation of opposite side changing, I mean there will be different opposite side with respect to different theta. Which angle you are talking, that correspond will be opposite side. If you are talking this theta, then this will be opposite side. If you are talking this theta 1, my dear students, this will be opposite side. And the other side will be adjacent side. And the largest side of these three sides is called hypotenuse side. The hypotenuse side is always fixed for a given right angle triangle. So in any given right angle triangle, there is one largest side out of three sides. The largest side is called what? Hypotenuse side. What is called? Hypotenuse side, my dear students. So I think so, my dear students, you have been understand how to recognize which one is opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse side, my dear students. So there are some formula based on these sides and angle is given by trigonometric ratio. Is given by trigonometric ratio. There are 6 trigonometric ratio. This is also a function. This trigonometric ratio is also called function. It is a transcendental function. Which type function, my dear students? Transcendental function. Transcendental function. A trigonometric function. Trigonometric function. Now, my dear students, now we will going to see the next topic. What mean by trigonometric ratio? What mean by trigonometric ratio? There are 6 trigonometric ratio. Which are those? Sin theta, cos theta, trigonometric ratio. Trigonometric ratio. Tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. Okay, my dear students. Now, what is meaning of trigonometric ratio? Like, suppose I am talking about sin theta. So for that, there is a formula. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse side. Opposite side by hypotenuse side. opposite side by hypotenuse side. What does it mean, my dear students? It means that trigonometric ratio is nothing but which give the ratio of one side of right angle triangle to other side in numerical value for any trigonometric ratio is called trigonometric ratio. Did you understand, my dear students, what we mean by trigonometric ratio? It gives us ratio of one side of triangle to other side. It gives us ratio of one side of triangle to other side in numerical value, in real number. That is called what? Trigonometric ratio. So similarly, for the cos theta, the formula is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse side. Adjacent side by hypotenuse side. Now next one, my dear student, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. This is also one relation, and further you can write this one opposite by adjacent side. And my dear students, sec theta, cosec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta, and cosec theta is reciprocal of what? Sin theta. I means when this numerator will take into denominator and denominator will take into the numerator, then it will become formula for cosec theta in case of sine. When we will reverse order, I means when we will take reciprocal of this fraction of this ratio, then it will become sec theta. When I will write hypotenuse by adjacent side, then it will become formula for sec theta. So note it, my dear student. You have to remember it. Sine is reciprocal of cosec theta, cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, tan theta is reciprocal of cot theta, my dear students. So I think so, my dear students, all of you understand what we mean by trigonometry, what we mean by trigonometric ratio, and how to know which one is opposite side, adjacent side, and hypotenuse side in right angle triangle. So based on this right angle triangle, we are giving ratios, trigonometric ratios, and there are 6 trigonometric ratios, and this is also called trigonometric function or transcendental function. Now we will going to stop here. Next time we will going to see next coming video lecture, my dear students. Thank you, my dear students. May God bless you. Have a nice day.